Hello. My name is Sean and I love to eat Wang natural cave bird nest. It tastes good and has tremendous benefits. My mum believes that natural cave bird nest is good for people of all ages if they take it regularly. During my examination period, especially PSLE 2016, my mum gave me Wang natural cave bird nest, prepared and bottled in Singapore GMP factory without bleaching, chemicals or preservatives. Every morning, I take half a bottle of Wang natural cave bird nest, giving me the needed energy and focus for my grueling exams. I achieved my academic goals and am ready to start my new academic year in the school of my choice. Wang 100% pure cave bird nest is delicious and irresistible and comes in 3 different preparations. There is the premium concentrate silver bird nest, which I've already eaten. There's the premium concentrate silver bird nest with ginseng that I especially saved for you. Thirdly, there's the premium concentrate golden bird nest, which I ate yesterday. So join me and experience the benefit of eating Wang natural cave bird nest. So delicious. Wanna have some? There you go.